People, this is Mosha again, coming to you from MOSHA'S Reggae Lounge. I want to wish everybody a happy new year. I got some special people in the house. I got some crew that been coming here for quite a long time, and he's a faithful customer of mine. His name is Steve and his wife, and he always brings his crew here. Now I'm going to ask him to just say a little something on this video because he's very important. Steve always looks out for his people, so he brings them here. This is Steve.
Hi, everybody. Yes, this is the best place on SOSUA Beach. Anytime you want any kind of jerk chicken or fish or any of that stuff, reggae chips.
Thank you.
Awesome
Yeah, here you
stuff.
go, the reggae chips.
Best place to go.
Thank you, Steve. Now I gotta come to his wife before I come to his guest here. This is his queen.
Hi, I'm Nikki.
This is Nikki. She had a birthday party here, guys. And she had about 1 million people. I'm kidding, but. So Nikki, how about you?
The best jerk chicken I have ever had. We used to live in New York, and we tried every jerk chicken there, and this is by far the best jerk chicken ever.
And believe me, if it wasn't so, they would not come here because these are serious people. Now, I want you to tell us the story from these two gentlemen, this gentleman and his wife. They was in the Turks and Caicos having jerk chicken. So tell us what happened.
So there was a Jamaican guy working the grill in Grand Turk, and he made amazing jerk chicken. And he brought it out and he said, "Isn't this the best jerk chicken you've ever had?" And I was forced to say, "It's really good. But in DR, there's a man named Mosha.
Yeah.
And he makes the best jerk chicken.
Yeah,
you've
buddy.
ever had."
There you go, coming from the horse's mouth, guys. Now, guys, this is his beautiful wife. She comes also, and I'm sure she dream about the jerk, right?
Oh, yeah. Good question. Is there, like, if we're coming to DR to visit these guys, this is our 3rd time. We will never miss the stop.
They always come, and because the chicken takes long, guys, I'm telling you right now, if you're in a rush, it's not gonna happen, especially if you have a big group. You have to call me and let me prepare, let me work the chicken for you, okay? Thank you, Steve, guys. Listen, you guys are the Boom Shaka Attack. Now I got two new people. They go to Jamaica a lot. And what's your name, ma'am?
Nancy.
Nancy, tell us a little bit about what you experienced in Jamaica.
Oh, good hot jerk chicken.
Nice.
And my new neighbors over here
Yes.
have said this is the very best jerk chicken ever, and I'm ready.
She's waiting.
ready.
So you know what I'm gonna do when the chicken come out? I'm gonna pause the video and come back to them.
Yeah.
This is so that you can hear her experience on camera. And this is her husband. Michael, how you doing, Michael?
I'm doing
So
very
you've been to Jamaica with her too, right?
I visited Jamaica.
And you love jerk chicken.
I love jerk
His wife says he makes the best jerk chicken.
We'll see.
So we'll see today. This is a gentleman. What's your name, brother? Huli. Where you from?
I'm from Berlin.
He's from Berlin, and he comes, he sits down, he wants to chill, relax, and have a beer. Your first time?
And have reggae music.
And reggae music. Where you going? And this is my boy right here. He's into the vibration. He loves the music.
One love.
Yeah,
One love.
the reggae vibration. He's a tipsy right now. Happy New Year and all that kind of stuff. This is his friend, Jenna. And her husband is walking over here. Let me get him on camera. Hey, I'm doing a video, man. You gotta be on the video. Excuse me, guys. We're doing a video. I'm doing a video for the whole place. So no, you can stay here. This is your first time, or you live here?
It's my first time at your
On the
spot,
beach.
but I lived in Cabarete for years.
So he's gonna chill with me today. He's speaking to a young lady. I don't know if she wanna be on camera, so I won't put her face there. And so when you finish, all right?
All right.
So big respect to the MOSHA'S Reggae Lounge. I'm gonna pause them, and they didn't taste it. No, they're tasting it. Tell me now. Tell the people what you think.
Oh, goodness me.
Okay.
Oh, goodness me.
Did you hear that, people?
It's absolutely beautiful.
Boom shakataka. You?
That's wonderful. This is real Jamaican
This
jerk
is
chicken.
jerk chicken.
Absolutely.
Yeah, and this lady, they go to Jamaica a lot. They are honorary Jamaican people.
Yeah, man.
Honorary, you see that?
It's every man.
Listen, folks, I told them I'm going to do the second part of the video when they taste the chicken. I forget to bring the camera. She tell me, go get the camera. And there she goes.
Good. It's good.
'Cause
It's
you see?
delicious.
Yeah.
Absolutely the best.
All right, people.
Authentic.
So enough respect to the crew, to the two lovely people here. I'm glad they had a chance to experience my chicken, so they know now where to come. I got new victims, 2 new victims in the house.
Right here.
That's
Right here.
MOSHA'S Reggae Lounge. All right, people. So happy New Year, boom shaka talk. You want to be on camera? Boom shaka talk and everything. All the best to you, folks.